Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Almighty King. Thank you, Jehovah Jireh. Thank you, Waymaker. Thank you, Promise Keeper. Thank you, my Deliverer. May your name be praised forever in this land of your people, Danda. You deserve all thanksgiving for the gifts your name, Danda. None like you, Master. Thank you for who you have been for each and everyone for this new day of blessing. Thank you for the gift of your new day, Danda. Thank you for your gift, a new day, Danda. See how beautiful you have made it to be, Danda. You deserve all praises, Master. See how you have done it for your beloved children. Thank you, Master. Thank you for everything, Danda. Thank you, King of Kings. May everyone see the way you dance, you walk through spirit.